बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो यूनिट 3 है, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान। इसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे टीचर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन पाकिस्तान, इन सर्विस एंड प्री सर्विस ट्रेनिंग, कंपैरिजन ऑफ एंग्लो इंडियन एंड स्कूल ऑफ बंगाल, डेवलपमेंट एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन। ये 4 मेजर पॉइंट होंगे हमारे यूनिट 3 में। यूनिट 3 है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 3 Introduction. No system of education could be better than its teacher. Teachers are essential player in promoting quality education, whether in schools or in more flexible community-based programs. They are advocating for change. There is famous saying that a teacher is kingmaker. In regard of teacher education in Pakistan, we also know that a teacher is just like a ladder. People climb on the ladder to reach to the ultimate glory. A teacher is just like a pillar in the basis of any nation. Teacher training is the most important factor through which we can increase learning of students. If we have trained and able teachers, then there is guarantee of success in the life of student and of nation. Teacher education refers to the policies and procedure designed to equip teachers with the knowledge, attitudes, behavior and skills they require to perform their task effectively in the school and the classroom. The National Council for Teacher Education has defined teacher education as a program that is related to the development of teacher proficiency and competence that would enable and empower the teacher to meet the requirements of the profession and face the challenges therein. कुछ टीचर्स प्रोग्राम के बारे में डिटेल बताइए, हम फर्दर मूव करते हैं लर्निंग आउटकम्स की तरफ। लर्निंग आउटकम्स क्या है? आफ्टर स्टडिंग दिस यूनिट, prospective teachers will be able to: 1. Explain the development of teacher education in Pakistan. Number 2. Delineate the details of policy actions required to improve the teacher education programs. Number 3. Learn the details about in-service and pre-service training in Pakistan. Highlight, illustrate, compare and contrast the Anglo-Indian and School of Bengal. Number 5. Identify and describe the major problems in the existing teacher education programs with specific references to Pakistan. Teacher education system in Pakistan. Historical background. During the British period, an increased awareness of the need of improvement in education system was made through the development of teachers training institutions. The prevailing teaching methods were more mechanical and theoretical, restricted to textbook learning. Since 1947, communication of various programs of teachers training have been in practice, such as junior vernacular, senior vernacular, CT certificate in teaching, certificate teacher, OT Oriental Teacher Language 5, BT Bachelor in Teaching 1957. JV 8+1 for primary class 1 to 5, SV Senior Vernacular 10+1 for class 1 to 8, CT Certificate in Teaching Certificate Teacher 12+1 for class 1 to 8, OT Oriental Teacher Language for the instruction of Oriental languages. BT Bachelor in Teaching 1957, 14 plus 1 for class 6 to 10, renamed as B.Ed. Before partition, the entire education system was aimed to produce a class of people who would serve the bureaucracy to carry on the old socio-economic order in the country. The socio-economic order was designed by the colonial powers to exploit the masses of the subcontinent. All curricular textbooks and teaching material were therefore devised to serve the cause of the vested interest, not to cater to the creation of the dynamic and progressive society in the country. Hence, after partition, the National Commission for Education had identified the following objectives. A. Be academically well trained in the objects the teacher teaches. B. Have had sound professional training in that how to teach these subjects. C. Have had sound proficiency in that how to understand the children in his charge. D. Have a deep sense of professional honor. E. Have security of tenure and pay scale commensurate with the status. F. Be working in an environment which honors him for the contribution he makes to society. The Commission on National Education 1959 recommended the following professional durations for teachers training of different stages. Table 1. Duration for teachers training of different stages. Classes to teach 1 to 5, 6 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Qualification for admission, duration of training. Classes to teach 1 to 5, matriculate, duration of training 1 year. 5 to 8, classification for admission, intermediate, duration of training 2 years. 9, 10, qualification of admission, bachelor degree, duration of training 2 years. 11, 12, master degree, a short course. ये जो टेबल है ये टीचर के रिलेटेड है कि जो क्लास 1 से 5 को पढ़ाएगा उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन मैट्रिक होनी चाहिए और 1 ईयर ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए और क्लास 5 टू 8 के लिए इंटरमीडिएट मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन है और 2 ईयर ट्रेनिंग। क्लास 9 10 के लिए बैचलर डिग्री होनी चाहिए और 2 ईयर ट्रेनिंग और फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर के लिए मास्टर डिग्री और अ शॉर्ट कोर्स। The education policy 1972 to 80 suggested that many of the courses of teacher training were outdated and not oriented to the scientific and technological aspects of education or the use of modern methods and techniques. All teacher training courses would be revised and reformulated, keeping these pressing consideration in view, the curriculum wing of the Federal Ministry of Education revised the teacher education curriculum for all stages. At first step, the teacher education curriculum for the elementary stage was revised. It was followed by the revision of the curriculum for secondary teacher education. Teacher education in Pakistan. Teacher is the core to achieve quality education. Pakistan pursues the teaching force in Pakistan is 1.3 m working in government schools. Total teacher training institutions for pre-service training 275 teacher training